Hello students, in this session of most important questions of class 12 physics, Maharashtra State Board, I am going to discuss about 2 marks questions which are generally asked in the form of explanation or characteristics etc. from chapter number 7 to 16 over here. Already मी 2 mark question किंवा important definitionचे वेगवेगळे व्हिडिओज बनवलेले आहेत तेही तुम्ही पाहू शकता. याच्यामध्ये डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीनचा पण मी एक वेगळा व्हिडिओ बनवलेला आहे. यामध्ये 2 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन जे एक्सप्लेन किंवा कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक अशा टाइपचे मी डिस्कस करणार आहे. सो हियर आर द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम चॅप्टर नंबर 7 वेव ऑप्टिक्स. फर्स्ट वन इज अ Huygens principle, September 21. Second one, state the conditions for steady interference pattern, July 23. Third one, state the condition for constructive and destructive interference of light. Chapter number 8, electrostatics है. What are the polar dielectrics and non-polar dielectrics? February 22 ला विचारला है. Second one, obtain an expression for equivalent capacitance of two capacitors C1 and C2 connected in series, February 23. Third one, derive an expression for electric field intensity due to infinitely long charge conductor, July 23. Chapter number 9, current electricity. How will you convert a moving coil galvanometer into ammeter, February 23 ला विचारले. The similar type of question, how will you convert a moving coil galvanometer into voltmeter? This is very important thing. Then the next one, for moving coil galvanometer, show that AC is equal to G upon N minus 1, where S is the shunt resistance, G is the resistance of galvanometer, N is the ratio of total current to full scale deflection current. Chapter number 10, magnetic field due to electric current. First one, obtain an expression for magnetic induction of toroid of n turns about an axis passing through its center and perpendicular to its plane. February 23 मध्ये विचारला होता. State Biot-Savart's law, that is also known as a Laplace law, for the magnetic induction produced by current element and express it in vector form. Chapter number 11, a magnetic material. State the formula for magnetic potential energy of dipole and hence obtain the minimum and maximum magnetic potential energy. This was asked in July 22. Second one, what is gyromagnetic ratio? Write the necessary expression, July 22. Chapter number 12, electromagnetic induction. Define and state the formulae for inductive reactance and capacitive reactance, July 23 ला विचारलं गेलं. You can see these are the two definitions, पण ते त्यांनी दोन definitions combine करून question म्हणून विचारले. Explain why the equivalent inductance of two coils connected in parallel is less than the inductance of the either of the coils. This was asked in February 23. What are the eddy current? Write two applications of eddy current. This was asked in July 23. Then chapter number 14, dual nature of radiation and matter. How does the wave theory of light fail to explain observations from experiment on photoelectric effect? Give any 2 points. This was asked in July 22. Chapter number 15, structure of atoms and nuclei. State any two limitations of Bohr atomic model. Derive an expression for radius of the nth Bohr orbit of the electron in hydrogen atom. This was asked in February 22. Derive an expression for half-life time of radioactive material using the law of radioactive decay. This was asked in July 23. Chapter number 16, semiconductor devices. State any two advantages of full wave rectifier. State any 4 advantages of photodiode. State any 4 advantages of LED. Give applications of photodiode. Give applications of LED. Write down the truth table and Boolean expression for OR gate. Write down the truth table and Boolean expression for AND gate. Write down the truth table and Boolean expression for XOR gate. So I have completed all the 16 chapters over here. जर तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर तुम्ही चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. फॉर मोर सच व्हिडिओज आय एम गोइंग टू विच लोड ओवर हियर. Secondly, you share this information with your friends so that they can get benefited out of it. आणि तुमचे काही सजेशन्स असतील तर ते तुम्ही मला कमेंटमध्ये द्या सो दॅट आय कॅन मेक सम मोर व्हिडिओज. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.